Hey YouTube, Gamer2K1 here, and I decided to do a quick video here, let y'all know that yes, I am still alive, and yes, I am still wearing the mask. Anyways, I also wanted to talk about a website that I've been going to a lot lately, Ctrl Alt Kill.org. The link will be in the sidebar over there. Anyways, they talk about video games and technology and stuff over there sometimes, and they also do a weekly podcast. They call it the Killcast. It's usually up on Fridays. It should be up at the time they're posting. Last night I was actually privy to their first ever live recording. Live as in streaming over the net. But it was actually quite entertaining. Apparently they're talking about doing this as a weekly thing every Thursday night. I do believe about 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, yeah, go over to CtrlAltKill.org, check them out. Check out the Killcast. They're up to episode 22. And I guess that's all. Till next time, I'm out of here.